Morning S2. This is the video for money. This is the level 3 video, the second one in our remote learning series. You'll notice a couple of changes I've made, just to try and make things a little bit easier. And the first thing you'll spot straight away is that I've put the Numeracy Ninja questions right at the top here. So start off by having a go at that. I've also put the answers for you here, so you can open that file up when you're finished and check your own answers, and then you probably want to come back to this video and we'll discuss the second part of the money that we're going to be looking at today. For our lesson, we're going to be really looking at sort of making choices and justifying those choices. So our learning intention for our money lesson today is to use a variety of strategies to identify the most suitable deal within the context of money and then explain the reasons for your choice. So success criteria, I've got calculate the cost of an item or service in order to compare them, and secondly, we're going to be able to justify your choices by giving a suitable reason to support your choice of one product or deal over another. So looking at comparisons, we kind of done a bit of this last week, so this is going to maybe involve a few other wee bits of thinking from other topics such as percentages and things like that as well. So I'm going to do two examples, and then we're going to get you to try a few on your own. So first example here, I've got two options for an outfit. So two shops are selling the same outfit, and we're going to work out which shop offers the better value. So Sportsrec is offering the outfit at £34.80, less 15% in the sale, and Gymtech has the strip advertised at £29.99. So to work out the better offer, we need to calculate the sale price at Sportsrec. So what I need to do is get 15% of the cost at £34.80. So again, if you've got your calculator, and you can use that, you're doing 15 divided by 100 times 34.80. In this case, you can fire that in. I can work that out myself, and we will get our answer, which is £5.22. And if we've got that £5.22, I'm then going to need to take that away from the original cost to get the actual cost of the item. So it's £34.80. Because I'm getting 15% less, take that away, take away that £5.22. Again, you can pop that in your calculator, but that's going to give us £29.58. And now we can compare, because now we've got, this is the cost here, £29.58 at Sportsrec. Gymtech are offering it at £29.99, so we are cheaper. It's better value for money at Sportsrec. For the second example, we're going to look at doing a bit of online shopping. So Francis is shopping online for a new bookcase. He's found 3 suppliers but needs some help choosing the best option. So which company should she pick and why? I'll put a wee note in here that value added tax, or sometimes called VAT, which is an extra cost added to your bill, is currently at 20% in the UK. We're going to need that for doing a couple of these calculations. So I'm going to do the costs here separately. So Bookworm, so the shelving unit costs £250 plus VAT, plus £18.75 delivery. So I'm going to need to work out my VAT first. So the VAT, going to need to work that out, is 20% of £250. So again, similar calculation, percentage, 20 divided by 100 times £250. And that's going to give us a cost of, £50. And then I can get the total for Bookworm now. So it's the cost of the unit itself plus the £50 VAT plus £18 75 for delivery, which is going to give me a cost of £318.75. Okay, so that's the total cost for Bookworm there. Shelf Coat are offering it at $330 all inclusive, so we can already realise that Bookworm's going to be cheaper, but we need to do a calculation for Leafy Wood as well. So for Leafy Wood, their offer is £275 including VAT, plus a 5% charge for delivery and handling. So I'm going to need to work out what that delivery charge is. So 5% of £275, and then I'll need to add that on. So 5%, 5 divided by 100 times £275. Again, you've got your calculator there, so you can work that out fairly straightforwardly just by putting the calculation in. That's given me £13.75. So then my total cost for Leafy Wood is £275, which is the original cost including VAT, plus the £13.85, which is going to give me a total of £288 and 75p. Just realised I've made a wee mistake writing that in. Sorry guys, that should be 75 to match up. So if that's our three costs, we can see that Leafy Wood is going to be better value for money. So it is the best option for Francis in this case. Alright, so there's a wee bit of thinking that you're going to have to do for some of these questions, because the scenarios will be slightly different. They kind of get progressively more difficult as you go down. I've popped in space for you to put the answers into the OneNote, but if you're doing it on paper, it's absolutely fine. Just photograph it, email me it, or pop into your OneNotes like a good number of you did last week. Alright, I have put an extension task down the bottom here for you to do a little bit of online research into broadband deals. You can insert a few images for me and give me some reasons to decide why you've picked those particular deals, and there's some links there to some good comparison websites for you to work that out. Okay, I'll be online for the rest of the lesson, but I'll also be online on Wednesday for the tutorial where we can go over the answers in a bit more detail. Thanks very much guys, bye bye.